In the previous video, I talked about how to get Microsoft Office 365 for free. So if you want to know how to get it, I have a step-by-step tutorial on that. The link is in the description below. In this course, I'll be discussing the start screen of Microsoft Word 365. Before we continue, hi, I am Yusuf from Oscar Tech. I am an online instructor. On this channel, I make videos on data analysis, tech productivity, and many more. So if any of such content interests you, please consider hitting the like, share and subscribe button, and also do not forget to click the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you when I upload any of such content. I would like to inform you that whatever we do in Microsoft Word 365 is also applicable to other versions of Word like Word 2021, 2019, 2016, 2011, 2010, etc. So let's get started by opening Microsoft Word and go through some of the features in the start screen. Now once you open Microsoft Word, it will take you directly to an interface called the start screen. Whilst you are in the start screen, if you look on the left side, you will see a trim menu here, which are the home, the new and the open. Now when you get to the home, you will see that it has a blank page. You use this home screen, the home page here, to create a blank page. And also in this home screen, you can also access some templates. As you can see, you can have a CV template and a letter template, and if you want some of these templates or more of this template, you can just click on this more template here. Once you click it, more of this template will appear, so you can just select anyone you want. If you look around and you didn't see anyone that you want, you can simply go to a search bar and type in the name of the template you may want, then search for it, then you click it. Now back again to the home page. Now when you get to the home page, this is where you will access all the new files you have been working on. For as long as you have just worked on them, here is where they will appear. As you can see, these are my files that I've been working on. And again, if you want to access a file that you worked on maybe 3 months ago, but it does not appear once you open Word for the very first time, you can just go to more document. Once you click this more document, more of this document will appear here. These are the documents. As you can see, each of these category has a title. This is older document. They are the ones that I've worked on. This is the last document, and each of them have a date and time that I worked on them. And now this is this week. As you can see, this is where you can get your document. But now again, if you want to pin a document, like you have a very important document, you want to pin it to the pin category, you can just click this pin icon. But in some versions of Word, you will not see a pin icon. So what you will do is that you just right click. Once you right click, you will see the option here, pin to list. Once you click pin to list, as you can see, it has been pinned. Let me just pin this. This again has been pinned. So now if you are looking for that particular document, all you should do is that you go to this pin option here. Once you click this pin option, these are the 2 documents I have just pinned. Okay, these are the 2 documents I've just pinned. Now if you want to unpin them, you can just go through the same step again. If you did not see this pin icon, just right click, then go to unpin. But if you see it, you can just click it at once, then it will be unpinned. Then we go back to recent. Now let's take a look at the new tab. In the new tab here, this is also where you can create new file, and again you can get access to most of the templates here, because there are thousands of templates here and they are categorized according to section. These are business, card, flyer, letters, education, resume, etc. So you can simply type in what you want, or you can simply click the option here. If you want template of letters, just click letter here. But please make sure your computer is connected to a Wi-Fi so that all of these templates will appear. As you can see, these are the templates. You can just choose the template you want. So make sure your computer is connected to a Wi-Fi. But now I will not open any template here because I don't want to use it. This is just for the tutorial. And again, now let's look at the open option here. In the open option here, as you can see, we have sub menu here, which are the recent, the share with me, my OneDrive, my SharePoint, this PC, add a place, and browser. Each of these has their own function. Now, as you can see, when you go to recent, these are the documents again I have just recently accessed. I used these ones yesterday. So now, let's say I want to access a document in a folder. I can simply go to this button here. When I click it, all my documents that I've backup in my folder, they will appear here. These are documents that are in a folder. So I can just simply click the folder and open the document. But now I don't want to do that. So let's go to document again. Now in this share with me, the purpose of this share with me is to share document with others. Maybe you may want to share document with someone you're working with to edit or to just go through a document. You can just share that document with the person. And again, this OneDrive, this is a cloud storage. It depends to the cloud storage you want and the one you have added. Your own might not be the same as mine. As you can see, this is different. So whenever I want to save a document in my cloud storage, this is where I'm going to save it. When I click this, then it will take me to all my folders in the cloud storage. So I'll just click the folder where I want to save it and save my document. Now, if I want to share a document in my site, my SharePoint site, this is where I will just save it. And again, when you take a look at this PC, for this PC, if you want to get a document that is saved in your computer, in a location in your computer, you can just click this PC, then you just get access to it. But for me, most times I just save my documents online in my cloud storage because I can simply get access to it through my phone, through my other PC. So that is why I usually save my documents in my OneDrive. So now this add a place. As you can see, add a place here, the main purpose of this add a place is for you to add online cloud storage. As you can see, this is my cloud storage. If you want to add each of this one on your PC, you can just click any one of them and we just add them. Okay, now if I want a file in my PC, I will just click this browse here. When I click this browse, it will just open. Sometimes it's open an empty folder because I have not directed it to a folder yet. Now let me say I want to open a folder on my desktop. I'll just go to desktop and open my folder. Now at any time I click this browse, it will take me to my desktop. As you can see, it has taken me to my desktop. Okay, you can just click a folder and open a document, or you can just click a document that you want, then you work on it. And again, let's take a look at the three buttons in the start screen below. Now when we get to the three buttons here, we have account, feedback, and option. Now let's take a look at each of these one. Now when you go to account here, in the account here, this shows you your user information. As you can see, this is my username and other things. This is my photo. If I want to change my photo, you can change it from there. And again, you will notice that when you install Microsoft Office, this theme you see here is not the same as yours. Your own might be white. That's the default theme. I changed mine here. Now, if you want to change your own theme, you can simply go to official theme. Now, once you click official theme, you go to black and white or white. Once you click white, as you can see, it has changed. But I like the dark gray, so that is why I change it this way. And again, if you want to change the office background color, you can just go to office background color. Sometimes you choose no background, or you choose this circuit. Once you choose it, it will just change, and this is the style. You will not see it. Wait, let me put it to the white background so that you will see the style. As you can see, this is the style here for this circuit. Now let's change it. Let's see if we have another one. As I scroll within this office background, that's the way it will change. So now let's say let me choose this. As you can see, this is the background. It has changed. Now let me change again this office theme to dark gray. As you can see, it has also changed. In this account again, you can get access to your OneDrive information, and also if you want to add another OneDrive again, you can just add this service here. So now again, when you go to this personal information, product information, this is where you will know the type of office the person is using, whether it is activated or not, the account and other things. And here is the place where you can update it. But mostly Office usually update itself as long as you are connected to an internet. But if you want to update it manually, you can just click it and you update. Okay, or disable the update, or you view your update, or you look about update. Before you update it, it is advisable you look about update. Okay, so this is where you can update it. And here is about what. If you want to know about what, just click it, then they will tell you more about it. Okay, now this is what is new about Word, what they have just added and what they have just reduced. Okay, this is where you will see. Now when we go to this feedback option here, this is the place where you will have access to send message to Microsoft on whether you like the software or what you need them to add or reduce. Okay, this is where you will send it. And now once you go to this option, which is the last menu we are going to talk about here, when you click option, it will open another window. Now once it takes you here, this is where you can customize your Microsoft Word. Okay, now let's say I want to change the way my Office save, where it's saved and the time it will take for it to auto save. I can just go to save here. Once you click save, as you can see, the default time here is 10 minutes, but I change it to 2. You can simply change it by clicking the upper arrow here or the lower arrow to reduce the time. As for me, I just change it to 2. Okay, now if you want to change the location where when you save your file, where it will save, you will just go to browse, select a file where you want it to be saved. Okay, just click browse. Once you click browse, it will take you to the file. Let me say I want to save it here. Okay, or I don't want to put it in a folder. Let me just click okay. Once I put it that way, at any time it want to save, it will just save in this drive A. All right, this is where you can do that, and it has so many functions. It has so many functions. You can just do it here. Okay, now you click okay. Once you click okay, everything is okay for you now. You can just go through that. All right, as I said, this video is just a brief explanation of the home page. All right, so if you want to know more about Microsoft Word, please stay with me through this course. As we progress, you will see that you will learn a lot with me in this course. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, share with others so that they will learn Microsoft Word and other things in my channel. Thank you very much.